Welcome to the assembly for the awards of the month of October. Our theme was critical thinkers and problem solvers. So we gathered information to understand and solve the problems of our classroom and of the world. In today's assembly, Miss Eve and the grade 3s will be performing the talent song. Grade 5 will perform a monologue, and Ms. Michelle and Mr. Kwan will present the awards and the birthdays. I hope that you really enjoy the performances. It's great to see you. We miss you so much, and we hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.
I see the face Esperanza is making, and I know she's a bit uncomfortable as well. After seeing the grounds, we decide to move into the cabin. When we enter, we see one bed, a barrel in place of a nightstand, and some blocks of hay for chairs. It is not luxury, but it will do. Esperanza asked me the question, "Is this our cabin?"
Esperanza looked at me and said, "What did you do?" I responded with, "Can you not see my clothes? I dug ditches while eating." Esperanza scolded me and said, "Miguel, how could you agree to such a thing?" I told her, "I have no choice. This is the only way of earning money." Esperanza got mad. Some time later, an immigration official came and started tipping over boxes. But then the scorpion crawled over and stung me. I heard him mutter about Mexican strikers in the way. I waited a long time, and then Esperanza.
The best kind of feeling I've ever had spilled into my body. This case has finally ended for now. Seems like the officer's coming to chase me. The strikers being caught, Esperanza helping me. It's just a precious memory to keep now.
I'm Miguel. I have lost my job because I was replaced by an OK who was willing to work for less money, and I was angry and said,
"As bad as things are, Esperanza, we need to keep trying." I grabbed her hand. She pulled away, though. "But it does no good. Look at yourself. You still stand on the other side of the river. You are still a peasant." I stared at her. I was finished with her attitude, even though I'd tried. "And you still think you're a queen." I walked back to the cabin and into my bed.
And something was making my nose tickle. Fortunately, the dinner was great. I realized that staying with Isabel and Miguel's parents is great after all. I enjoy staying at the camp and Isabel and others too. I also realized that being poor is not that bad at all.
We went to a market together and we were buying things that we like, and we also buy things that our papa and mama to eat.
Lorenza got really, really, really mad. I could see in her face that she was really, really, really red, really mad. So, I don't know what happened, but she just stood up and ran away. So, I called for her. Anza, but she won't let.
Hello and congratulations to all of our winners for this month for demonstrating how to be critical thinkers and problem solvers in the classroom. Our lower elementary award winners are Chebu from Pre-KG, Ren and Anghain from KG, Juju, Tutek, and Makuma from grade 1, and Lomon and Myopietcho from grade 2. Congratulations to our lower elementary winners. For our upper elementary winners, we have Pon, Jack, Erica, and Yemye in grade 3, Brian and Joshua in grade 4, and Shannon and Mantra in grade 5. Congratulations. In our special classes, we have Robin from grade 2 and Daniel in grade 5 for Myanmar Studies. In art, we have Mo Piet Cho and Yun from grades 2 and 5. For PE, we have Ari Lee in grade 2 and Christina in grade 4. Our winners for music are Harrison in grade 1 and Henry in grade 3. And last but not least, our ICT winners are Anaya in grade 3, Tepmiet grade 3, and Thais in grade 5. Congratulations to everyone and hope to see you soon.
Hello, elementary school students. It's time to announce our monthly birthday celebrants. For pre-KG, we have Shui Yi. For KG, we have Mei. For grade 1, we have Shiloh. For grade 2, we have Braden. For grade 3, we have Pong, Dulania. And for grade 4, we have Lin. And grade 5, we have Leo. May you all have a wonderful celebration.